Hey folks, here's your radar tonight. It has been pretty quiet once again. The valley seeing nothing this evening. A couple of showers dotting the offshore waters, and the stuff not developing over against the mountains tonight either. Some stuff earlier, but there's nothing left. So looking like a quiet night across the region, and satellite obviously confers with radar. You just don't see anything at all. So let's look at future track. It says that tonight is quiet, and during the daytime tomorrow, for the most part, we're looking at partly to mostly sunny skies. Now, can there be a brief isolated shower on the sea breeze? There could be, but I think you're looking at less than 20% coverage across the region. Then we go into Friday night. It's relatively quiet as well. And I think a lot of Saturday, a lot of the day may be quiet, but when we get late in the day, perhaps late afternoon or for certain Saturday night and into Sunday, we've got a pretty good shot at some showers and perhaps even some thunderstorms. Some pretty big rain is a possibility. It lasts through the daytime Sunday. You may have noticed not only do you see green, the darker greens, heavier rain, you saw some yellow and some orange in there too. That indicates heavier rain with thunder and lightning. So I think that's a possibility Saturday night into Sunday, perhaps lingering into Monday, but not nearly as intense. So we got 20% tomorrow, 50% Saturday, but not until late or at night. Much of the day will probably be rain free, but as the day goes on, clouds will thicken and could be some nighttime showers and storms. They linger into Sunday, and then the chances taper off a little Monday, but there is potential for some heavy rain from a couple of those thunderstorms. What that'll do to temperatures, we go 95, 93, and then only 88 on Sunday, a little bit cooler because of that. Look at the big picture of Texas tonight. See a lot of tropical moisture coming up from the south and a lot of tropical moisture coming in from the west. That's from an old tropical depression. Tropical Depression 19E, which came out of the Gulf of California into the western part of Texas. Well, look what happens tonight into tomorrow. All that moisture feeds into a front that's moving south, and there's big time rain up in North Texas. Down here, we don't see much tomorrow. Saturday during the day, we may not see much, but at night, I think stuff will be nearby, maybe even moving in. That front stalls to the north of us, but will be the focal point for thunderstorms even on Sunday. Scattered stuff here, but take a look at the rainfall. Look how much the models are predicting as we go into the weekend. Not so much down here, but look up in North Texas. In the Dallas area, look how the numbers really climb. 5 inches plus, and not just in Dallas, but up into Oklahoma, all the way down into the hill country. So it could be a very wet weekend across a lot of Texas. So we'll be watching that, and if you have travel plans north of the valley, be on the lookout for that as well. Tropics, the Atlantic is quite active. Nothing really pressing right now, but this system, not even off Africa yet, about 40% chance of developing 5 days out. This one's 60, this one 10-10, and that one 10 and 20. Here's what we have then at the coast. Nothing like that here anytime soon. Winds out of the southeast 10 to 15 knots, a moderate chop. Mainly sunny skies, a high of 89 at the beach. So 78 for the low tonight, partly cloudy. Tomorrow, an isolated shower, but most areas stay dry, a high of 95. We're about 94 on Saturday. Fall begins Saturday night, and then Sunday, about 88. Showers and thunderstorms could move in as early as Saturday night. Stay with us into Sunday, kind of tapering off on Monday. And then you look at next week, just a slight chance for showers, but a drier week until the end of the week. Then we'll talk about it at the front, which we'll spend time on in the next half hour.